Hi, hello, and welcome to Star Trends. Today in Excel formulas, we are going to talk about the paste command. Before we start, if you have not watched my cut and copy command, please do watch it out. The link is in the description column. So now let's move on to the paste command. As I said in my previous video, paste has a lot of features. Now let's see them one by one. I have just taken a screenshot of what are all the paste options available. It's all right over here. Actually, when you open the Excel, the paste command will not be active because we have not copied anything first. So let's just first copy something. I'm going to click copy. So in the paste, if you see here, the paste command is activated. So you can see a lot of shortcuts. We'll just go to the paste special and you see this is exactly the one that we have copied as a picture. So okay, now let's see one by one. First is paste all. So let's just randomly pick one data. So this data is in a particular number format, right? Month, date, and year. And also it has a specific font type and a font size and a font color and everything. So I'm just going to copy that and paste over here, paste all, which means it takes everything from the original location and it pastes exactly the same. So that is the paste. So the next is the paste formulas. So I'm just going to do some formula over here. I'm adding some $20 to the original value. Let's copy this and then keep my cursor over here. I'm going to copy only the formula. So paste formula. I'm just taking the shortcut. Okay, so this is what it meant by paste formula. So if you see here, it is picking this cell plus $20 while our original one was column J2 plus $20. Okay, so the next one is paste values. So I'm just going to again copy the initial data and paste values is here. Paste values. So this is the paste values. So the next one is formats. So let's just take one just example. I'm just copying it over here and then pasting it as values because I just want to show what is the original format of this cell. Okay, so the original format of the cell is just general. So I'm just going to copy paste the format. I want it in a format of the original. So I'm just going to format it. Okay, so this is pasting of a format. So the next is paste comments and notes. Let's just make some comment or note here. I'm just going to right click, new note. Let's say Excel. Okay, I'm just going to click somewhere else. So now there is a comment that's been done here. I just want to copy only the comment and nothing from the data. So I'm just going to click copy, place my cursor over here, paste special, comments and notes, and click OK. So you see here the comment is being copied over. So this is comment and notes. So you can also copy comments similarly. Third one is the validation. So for that, let's just see what is a validation first. Okay, so validation is right here in the data header. I'm going to data validation. Let's just talk about the validation in a separate session, but just I'm going to see a quick list of what is a. So I'm just going to type Varun Rajesh. So I'm just creating a very quick drop down list. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. So you see here we have a drop down list which is Varun, and then you can just select a. Okay, so like this is called a data validation. We'll see data validation in a much detailed one in any of our coming session. So now let's see what is the copying of validation first. So here you have a particular format, Calibri. Okay, so and I have a separate different format over here. Let's just pick some other format. Okay, Algerian. So so let's say if I'm going to copy this and then paste over here as paste all, it will still paste the validation, including the validation. You see here that is validation, but it also copies over the format of the original data. Okay, so I think here is where, oh my God, okay. So here is where we have a different format, right? So what do? We want the same drop down or data validation, but with the a different font of the cell that we are going to copy over or we are going to paste over. So I'm just going to click paste, paste special. I'm going to copy or paste only the validation. So you see here, if you're going to click Varun, it comes in a different formatting. Okay, so this is what is the validation. Next is all using source theme. Theme is nothing but the format that we have in our original data. So this data, I'm just trying to copy over here, paste, paste special, all using source theme. So whatever is the format of the source will be copied over here. So the next is formulas and number formats. Okay, this is kind of important because earlier we saw formula and we saw formats and we saw values, right? So now this is a combination of two or more of it. So now I want to copy formula and also I want to copy the format. For that, I'm going to click copy, keep my cursor over here, paste, paste special, formulas and number formats. Yeah, so you see the difference between this and this. This is just copying only the formula. Rather, this is copying the formula and number formats. So the next one is values and number formats. Similarly, I'm going to copy here. Here is only values, but here you are going to copy, paste both the values and the number formats. So this is the difference between this and this. So it's values and number formats. With that, we come to the end of today's session. We covered some of the major important paste command. Let's talk about the rest of the paste command and some of the shortcuts in the coming video. If you like this video, share it with your loved ones and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.